Hey everyone! Welcome to Toon Talk English, the place where you stop learning boring English and start sounding like a real speaker. Today, we're breaking down real daily routine idioms and phrases, the ones native speakers actually say, but no one teaches in school. This is episode 1, so stick with me, repeat out loud, and let's start sounding more natural, one phrase at a time. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. A cheerful way to tell someone to wake up and start the day. When to use? Morning, especially when waking someone up. Example 1. Rise and shine, sleepyhead, we're late. Repeat after me. Rise and shine, sleepyhead, we're late. Example 2. She walked into the room and said, "Rise and shine," with a big smile. Repeat after me. She walked into the room and said, "Rise and shine," with a big smile. Hit the snooze button, meaning to delay waking up by pressing the snooze on your alarm. When to use? When you don't want to get out of bed yet. Example 1. I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning. Repeat after me. I hit the snooze button 3 times this morning. Example 2. She always hits the snooze button and ends up late. Repeat after me. She always hits the snooze button and ends up late. Sleep in, meaning to wake up later than usual, especially on weekends. When to use? Talking about relaxing mornings. Example 1. I love sleeping in on Sundays. Repeat after me. I love sleeping in on Sundays. Example 2. She slept in and missed her class. Repeat after me. She slept in and missed her class. Phrase 4. Out the door, meaning to leave the house. When to use? When you're talking about starting your day or heading somewhere. Example 1. I was out the door by 7:30. Repeat after me. I was out the door by 7:30. Example 2. Grab your bag and get out the door. We're late. Repeat after me. Grab your bag and get out the door. Running late, meaning to be behind schedule. When to use? Anytime you're not on time. Example 1. Sorry, I'm running late. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm running late. Example 2. We're running late for the meeting. Let's go. Repeat after me. We're running late for the meeting. Let's go. Grab a quick bite, meaning eat something fast. When to use? When you don't have time for a full meal. Example 1. Let's grab a quick bite before the meeting. Repeat after me. Let's grab a quick bite before the meeting. Example 2. I grabbed a quick bite at the cafe. Repeat after me. I grabbed a quick bite at the cafe. Get ready, meaning to prepare for the day, shower, dress, etc. When to use? Before going out or starting work. Example 1. I need 20 minutes to get ready. Repeat after me. I need 20 minutes to get ready. Example 2. She was still getting ready when I arrived. Repeat after me. She was still getting ready when I arrived. In a rush, meaning doing something quickly because you're late. When to use? When you don't have time. Example 1. I was in a rush and forgot my keys. Repeat after me. I was in a rush and forgot my keys. Example 2. He's always in a rush in the morning. Repeat after me. He's always in a rush in the morning. Call in sick. Meaning, tell your job or school you're not coming because you're sick. When to use? When you're not well enough to go to work. Example 1. I had to call in sick today. Repeat after me. I had to call in sick today. Example 2. She called in sick and stayed home. Repeat after me. She called in sick and stayed home. Phrase 10. Catch up on. Meaning, to do something you've missed. Sleep, work, shows, etc. When to use? When you've fallen behind. Example 1. I'm catching up on sleep this weekend. Repeat after me. I'm catching up on sleep this weekend. Example 2. She's catching up on her emails. Repeat after me. She's catching up on her emails. And that's it for today's 10 real English phrases and idioms. Now it's your turn to start using them. Let me know in the comments, how many of these do you already use, and which ones were completely new to you? Your feedback helps us shape and grow this series for learners like you. If this helped, give it a like. And if you subscribe and share, this video can reach more people who are out there struggling to learn English alone. Let's help each other grow. One phrase, one learner, one video at a time. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next one.